To change the battery on this Interlogix wireless door contact, we want to remove the cover. To do so, we need to separate the cover from the base. This particular model, when we look at the back, you'll notice that there's a gap. So depending on how it's installed, it could be this way or this way, we'll want to apply pressure with just pushing up or down. Once the cover has been removed, we'll have easy access to the battery. In this case, it's a 2032 3-volt battery, which can be bought commonly at drugstores or found online. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the battery. Insert the new battery, ensuring that the numbers and letters are facing up, and then reattach the cover. Depending on how your sensor is mounted, you want to ensure that the cover is on tightly. And in most cases, you'll hear a faint click to know that it's in the right spot. After putting the cover on, if your sensor is still reading tamper from your panel, you'll know that the cover isn't on correctly. And the best to do is apply 2 fingers and apply pressure to either lock up or down, and in some cases could be left or right. With this particular sensor, there are 3 lines on the side to indicate where the magnet needs to be to ensure that it's reading correctly. If the magnet's near the bottom, the door will not give the proper reading.